YouTube. Today we're gonna play some lifeboat survival games. Okay. I will pause this for a while because I will lagging network. Okay. Now, oh, see here. Yeah, lifeboat. Okay, lifeboat. But let's go. Let's go play. Here. Okay. Okay. Only 30 seconds. What? Got the first kill. Yes. I will go here. Yes. Chest. Mm, 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 mm. Here. Let's go here. Yes. This, and this, and this. Okay. Oh, there's a chest again. Sword. Oh, there's pork chop. Oh, see. Wait. Let's see here. Oops. Here, down. Down again, down again. There's a chest. There's a chest. Let's go. Let's go hunt it. I don't know. Here. Oh, here. And here a little bit. What? Yeah. I will put. Okay, I get out that cobweb. Oh, what happened? Whoa, danger. Oh, let's see. This. Oh, take away some. Okay. Oops. Okay. Let's get out of here. No. There's a gold. Yo. No fall damage at all. And iron axe. To make sure. And let's see. No. No, no, no. Hey, little bit and I quit because I can't join again. There in my village, this is my world. You got that? Good enough, for sure. Really, I hate iron golems because they always kill me. In that case, I will kill them all. I kill them too. Yeah, like, see that? The hell's one with me? No, that's God. It's back again. Ow. Yes. Yes, yes. Hey, I don't want irons. I plenty. I got too many. I got too many of them. This, I'm trying to kill the creeper, and look at that. That is the case. The creeper explode in that, and the and I fall into this, and look at that. Stone hold. I don't want. Go, 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 up, up, up. Faster. Faster. My breath. Oof, oof. It's getting dark. It's getting dark. Let's see if we can kill many zombies. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's pick it. Oh, there's villagers. Mm-hmm. It's getting dark now. Wait. Oh, thought this was. Be careful with that thing. Hey, that. Oh, hey, I break some. I will use this. Look at that. Oh, spider. I hate spiders too. I'm, I'm using one the iron sword. But if we, oh, I don't want that Enderman. I don't want that. Oh, these two break. I make the bridge with the dirt because creeper explode again. Here. Mm-hmm. I don't care that it's pond just like that. Yay. Bad spider, bad you. Oh, there's a creeper. No, you get out of my way. Killing spree. Oh, I don't need that. Oh, there's a creeper. I don't want to kill it because it can. Oh, skeleton! No, don't you even try to kill me again. Don't you even. Oh, creeper! Oh, zombies! You. The creeper was stuck. Let's see if we. Wow, get out. Look, that house is totally wrecked. Let's go to my house. Oh, I want to get that garbage thing. Good. Okay, that's all on YouTube. Goodbye.